Myself, Shiv Prasad, I had my BTech in Computer Science from CMR Institute of Technology, and my hobbies are photography and traveling. This is a short about myself, and I'm here to represent the alien space station, the intelligent living. Yeah, let's start with the location of the alien space station. Alien space station is situated in Tellapur, which is called as New Hyderabad, and it is easy distance to the heart of the financial district centers and education institutions, and easy access to the public transports, and very short distance towards the Gachibowli. Within the 5 minutes, you can reach the airport within 20 minutes, and the high tech city is just 10 minutes. And outer ring road is you can reach from the alien station within the just 7 minutes from the alien space station, as it is the new it located in the New Hyderabad, which is short distance from every place. We can reach the restaurants, food courts, shopping centers, universities, shopping malls, hospitals, central business district, schools, and within 20 minutes you can reach these places where you can reach. And my next topic is an awards and recognition of Alien Space Station. Alien Space Station has City Space Award, Real Estate Asia 2009 as Best Residential Development in Future, and IGBC Alien Space Station has an award of IGBC Platinum Pre-certification by Indian Green Building Council. And some of the recognitions are highly commended Apartment India, Alien Station by Aliens Group, highly commended Mixed Use Development India, and then Best Mixed Use Architecture India by Alien Space Group. And this is a winner of three prestigious International Property Awards 2012 to 14, which is held in London, UK, and one of the winner of International Quality as Crown Award among the participants of 117 countries. In Alien Space Station, you can experience the urban paradise, and we have the some of the interior packages and some of the interiors. Apartment interiors in living room, we have features of abundant glass usage and French windows, balconies with spectacular views, touchpad switches, and verified tiles flooring. And in the kitchen, the features are centralized LPG cooking gas connection, breakfast counter table, stainless steel sink and drain board, granite platform along with the wall cladding, and wet area for washing and utensils. And in bedroom, we have the features of remote control switches, TV points, telephone in master bedroom, spectacular windows often leading to individual balconies. And coming to the bathroom, we have some of the features like a fall ceiling, and we have used the hindware, jackpot, and Parivare essence of equivalent shower and bath fittings, and fixed bath tube by Bathline, shower socket by Pelmet lighting, bath accessories, stainless steel towelers as standard feature we have providing. And next, coming to the interior package, as I said, that we have the interior packages of three types of packages: contemporary, natural, and bespoke. In contemporary, we have providing with the modern living like sofas, cushions, etc. In total modern living. And coming to the natural, we have providing with total wooden doors, wooden sofas, wooden total wood furniture is going. You can we can provide. And coming to the bespoke, as everyone want to their own creative interior, and they want to like different types of interior, they can search in Google like that. And from our creative team of interior designing, we can give what are the designs you give, we can give by delivery by given. As interior package includes interior design planning execution, file ceiling with designer lights, wardrobes and cupboards, wooden flooring in bedrooms as per design, texture paint on walls according to your as per design options, dishwasher, front loading washing machines and dryer, and three fitted split ACs in 3 BHK apartment and 2 BHK apartment. As you can see, this is a contemporary interior package. As you're seeing that the total modern furniture is used and bath fittings and interior design with the chairs and modern lights. And this is a contemporary design of kitchen, and this is a sample of design. And coming to the living room, this is the library shelf and dining table, the sofa, the modern sofas, and this is also living room. And coming to kitchen, the simple and classic modern kitchen with the table and with the dining table, and breakfast table is also available. This is a bedroom of modern bedroom in contemporary design, and this is the bathroom of contemporary design, the total modern furniture and interior. The total hindware and jaguar is used in this contemporary design of interior. And coming to natural option of interior design, this is a total interior design, and this is a living area, total wooden is used as wardrobes and wooden. This is a mat so use in living room, the total wooden shelves and wooden dining table, wooden chairs, and sofas with and cushions also with the wooden. In kitchen there's a natural look with the lightings and the wooden, where you can feel natural look in the natural interior designing. This is a bedroom with a wooden bed, wooden cottage, and the and coming to the bespoke interior designing, as per customer reviews and customer interior design, we can provide the output from our creative team of interior designing. My next topic is home automation. As you know about the home automation, as you can handle every device from your mobile from and can anywhere. You can handle your home things like fans. You can check the fan is off or on, AC is get off on or off. And some of the home automations are touchscreen home automation, video, door phone, biometric locking system, 100% power back. Some of the advanced home automation highlights are interfaces. We offer a variety of innovative Cisco interface driver systems and audio video speakers from points to audio switches, iPod docks to media players, advanced facilities. And the climate control board cover your motherly bills and easy eco concept by automating system to converse energy. Like if it is summer, we can make it as cool in inside. As if winter, we can warm our interior. Coming to the lighting, dimmer which are easily replaced with existing light switches or plug into outlets to offer complete control. And next, coming to a touch of your finger brings your sensitivity and convenience and comfort. Home automation lets do more like with the less energy, and we have the unlock your life with the latest technology like every more advanced lock system we have providing with the doors, main doors, and fire and gas alarms has been set. And programming using the email notification agent, like if any agent is come to meet you or any pickup or delivery is going on, you can get an email notification agent. And some of the key features of security, we can enable and disable your video surveillance camera and intercom from miles away. And home automation sensor, with the touch of your button by your bed you can turn on lights in your way. And convenience, through home automation you can order groceries from supermarkets, everything. And there is a two modes, super modes. We have the maid mode and kids mode. In maid mode, your maid reaches late and no one at home, she can enter the house with your permission remotely, and you can also receive an SMS maid arrived and exit. In kids mode, leave a message for kids when they come home. You can restrict access to certain applications that which can harm for your kids. And next, coming to the flat enhancement options, and in this flat enhancement options we have the three options. As every customer has a different options of flat enhancements, like they want a bigger doors, bigger balconies, bigger corridors, etc. As per that, we have the three options. And then option one, full size UPVC windows, bigger windows, private corridors along with designer gates, and glass railing with balcony for the for the safety reasons of your kid and everything. And coming to the option two, in option two we have the full size UPVC windows, performance glasses, and glass railing in balcony, bigger main door, emulsion paints, digital switches, private corridor along with designer gate, and bigger doors, utility glass doors, and false ceiling is available in the option two. And coming to option three, this is a best option. Like if everyone want independence, the option three is very good. Full size UPVC windows, performance glass, bigger main door, glass railing in balcony, Hale branded biometric lock for the associated home automation with the Alien Space Station, and false ceiling, digital lights, emulsion paints, next generation home automation. Like you can, as I said, home automation, you can control anything from your mobile phone. And thermoplastic wall mixer, digital switches, and you can lighter and dim your lights, white cement based putty, and utility glass door. These are the three options we have in the flat enhancements options. And my next topic is why go green. As I said, the Alien Space Station has Indian Green Council, Green Board Council. We have the pre-platinum certifications. Why green building, and what are that? Why go green? If you go green, as I have certification, go green, lifestyle benefits has within, health benefits, energy benefits, social benefits, environmental benefits, everything within. Coming to the IGBC certification, we have everything has checked with the IGBC certification, site selection and planning, water efficiency, energy efficiency, materials, and indoor environmental quality, innovation designing process, and everything. For these, we got the highest pre-platinum certification from the IGBC Council for the Alien Space Station. And my next stop is clubhouse. As every gated community, they want to have a gym, AC gym, and swimming pool, everything. In the alien space station, there is no need to worry. We have the sports relaxation to fun club, house maker, make it love, and yoga meditation halls and AC services from for guests and AC gyms and barbecuing, banquet hall, multi-purpose hall to get-togethers and other occasions. A library, child care, creche service also available for space station residents. Um, we have in clubhouse we have library, spa, yoga, meditation hall, AC gyms, and in for the indoor outdoor. Next, coming to outdoor games, in outdoor games we have mini golf, driving range, cricket nets, tennis courts, kids fun pool, kids play area, skating rink, jogging ring. And coming to indoor games, we have the table tennis, shuttlecock, indoor basketball, squash court, yoga meditation center, pool table, and swimming pool also available. Indoor is available. And coming to Aliens Mall, as in the residents are, they can not go everywhere. Coming to Aliens Mall, the art of who you are. In the Aliens Mall, you have everything like bank ATMs, multiplex theaters, restaurant, coffee shops, service apartments, book stationaries, and supply stores, saloons, and other outlets. Whatever required, like coffee shops, tea shops, and dress like textile shops, etc. The whatever you require in the Aliens Mall, we are providing it. And then my next topic is traffic management. As a alien space station has 14 towers and total 2,000 change of flats, there is a traffic system should be evaluated. As so many of cars, and due to this traffic, we have a traffic management system. We have introduced a chip, we insert a chip with the residents of the alien space station. Like a chip inserted vehicles will automatically release the boom barriers and integrated with video surveillance system for the monitoring of car parks. So you can monitor your car parking from your video from your mobile. And eco-friendly electric buggies to ferry the young and old. Like electric buggies, you can from entry to your resident, electric buggies are available, and their PLC sockets are available for the electric cars. And basement car parks air quality monitoring. We have the CO sensors and multi-level car parking like hydraulic car parking. And we have the 7 entries and exit points, and there are 7 entries and exit points. And this is a hydraulic parking. You can see that this is a hydraulic parking. One car above the another car. And as I said, the 7 exits and 7 entries. These are the residential car park exit and entry. And this is a car park for the residential entry and exit. We have one other for visitor car park access, like they can enter from exit for only for visitors. And commercial park access like Aliens Mall. And there are one more residential car park access, entry and exit. These are the services like school buses, etc. And cabs for this have the entry and exit for services. And next topic is our landscape in alien space station. In alien space station, we have the landscape features. Some of the landscape features are linear planes of water scattered throughout the site, acting at times as visual focal points. And next is metal rails provided shade for spatial enclosed in gardens, and pitches provide filtering ceiling. And there is a timbered decks and boardwalks help to bring natural warmth in hardscape palette and create strongly identifiable feature. And next is paved and planted terrace peels of edges of building, podium dropping down at the lake to project boundaries to blend podium walls into the landscape, blurring the edge between the side and building. And some of the landscape we have. This is some of the landscape we have. These are the lightning landscapes we have. You can see that this is the landscape lighting tables meetings for that. And these are the sculpture for the photography and photo shoots for the alien space station. And coming to furniture landscape, like older and younger can enjoy here by sitting there evening walks and nights. They can easily spend time at alien space station with these landscapes. And some of the landscapes areas are golf area and planting terrace area, main entrance area, the swimming pool, and we have the bamboo corridor, and we have the park for the children and older, and suspended lobby area. At Al Francisco dining area is also with the trees. And coming to the next our main topic is fire safety measures in alien space station. As we have provided the fire and gas leakage sensor, we have the refuge area in case of fire. resident can go to the nearest refuge area from where they can have safely evacuated. And we have the heat and smoke sensors. We have sprinklers will be placed in the inside outside apartments in the basement for all effective fire control. We have the helipad has been designed an effective location for your efficient and gas safety automatic shutdown of gas in case of leakage, as we have the piped gas collections. And staircase 22 dedicated staircase for fire evacuation has been provided. Fire engines, dedicated fire engines in the township to ensure promote response and control. Approach road for fire engine movement all across township. Integrated facility, all fire and safety measures are integrated to BMS for effective utilization of control. And coming to the next one, main structural advantage of Alien Space Station. Alien Space Station is a 30-floor high-rise apartment, as it is S-shaped structure and significantly superior to conventional building. As it is an S-shaped structure, and that each and every flat can get the light sun rays as a light. As we have said, we have got the IGBC award for the energy efficient. For this, our structural advantage is more advantage, like which is in S shape, as we can get the light from three sides of our apartment. In structural advance, the main element is the raft foundation. As raft foundation, which helps from the earthquakes as the base area of as the foundation of the apartment or a tower. We have the 6 feet of raft foundation, and we have the transfer slab. Like we have the transfer slab. You can see here. This is the transfer slab. This is just transfer slab. Normal slab independently distribute loads to beams, and for this transfer slab, the load is distributed equally as towards the foundation. And the next one, coming to framework, all support system height adjustable to allow framework to place with the concrete height and to be removed after the concrete is cured. Normal resistive metaphor similar to those used at beam slabs. And coming to next is shear wall. As I said, we have IGBC. We haven't used any brick in the space station. There is a shear wall like it within the concrete. We have used a wall as for wall. We have used a total of concrete. And the next is interconnected corridor. This is also very spectacular structural advantage. And interconnected corridor is a length of 1.5 kilometer in each level, strengthens of the building and gives connectivity in each case in case of emergency. And you can also you can also reach one station to another station without using any lift. You can directly reach to another station through this corridor. In total, in alien space station, in total we have the driving range and putting green, amphitheater, lake, visual shooting range, and cricket practice nets, jogging, bicycle tracks, and natural lake view, commercial tour, clubhouse, landscape areas, terracing, swimming pool, and tennis courts, AC gyms and spas and restaurants. And we also have the Aliens Mall. And each station has a name in space station. In the name itself, space station. Each tower has we have and each name. Some of the examples for each station are: first station we have named as Atlantis, first station 2 Atrex, and station 3 Salot, and station 4 Soyuz, and station 5 Hubble, like etc. In Alien Space Station, we have the 31 luxury 31 floor plans, and coming in 31 floor plans, coming to 2 BHK apartments, we have the 3 types of floor plans. So for basic area is 1100 and 1122 square feet, and the highest is 1402 square feet in 2 BHK apartments. And 2+1 BHK we have 3 plans, and the lowest is 1344 square feet, and the higher is 1432 square feet. Coming to 3 BHK apartments, we have coming to 3 BHK apartments, we have the 10 luxury plans. The basic area of 3 BHK is 1538 square feet. The highest 3 BHK square feet area is 2208 square feet. And next, coming to the duplex apartments in space station, we have the 3 floor plans. The highest is 3569 square feet of the lowest duplex apartment square feet, and the highest square feet of duplex apartments is 5036 square feet. Coming to Sky Villas, we have the 9 floor plans. The lowest is 4945 square feet. The highest is 7674 square feet. As I said, the structural well developed as per Vastu. Each and every apartment and 2 BHK or 3 BHK or Sky Villas are duplex apartments. Everything is, most of them are east face and west face. Now there is no apartment or flat as south face. As per Vastu, we have built each and every apartment with Vastu astrology. See, you can see here this is a 2 BHK floor plan. This is the entrance of 2 BHK apartment. This is a one bedroom and this is another. We have common bathrooms, living area and sofa area here. And this is another one 2 BHK apartment of square feet of 1254 square feet. And this is type C3. This is a 402 square feet east facing. This is the living area. This is a dining table, kitchen and attached bathrooms and balcony. This is the dish area. This is a master bedroom and this is children bedroom, and this is the entrance. This is the duplex apartment floor plan. This is the ground floor plan of duplex apartment. In this have living area, dining table, one bedroom with attached bathroom and one common bathroom, and a small bedroom and kitchen with a wash area. And this is the first floor of the duplex apartment. In this we also have the two bedrooms, and this is the staircase, and we have the attached bathrooms and separate bathrooms for to be duplex apartments. And my next topic is what to look for in real estate. For in a real estate, every customer looks for the loan, easily accessibility, security, and water and air as assetment of management services. In this alien space station, there is no need to worry for security issues and management services, water and air quality, 24/7 water and air, and a loan is also provided from the alien space station. We have trust for the alien loan distributors. For the security offer graded communities which provide 24/7 security guards, and accessible to a place where is the new Hyderabad Tellapur, which is located and nearer to the Gachibowli Madhapur, such as supermarket, groceries, and food courts and education institutes, schools for your children and education institutes. And for the Techigo is the very nearest area for the Wipro, Accenture, etc. Some of the project specification of alien space station. For the foundation, we have reinforced concrete wrap foundation, and the superstructure RCC shear walls, which is in S-shaped, and the walls with external for reinforced shield for a solid cement concrete blocks, and for roof, reinforced concrete roof with appropriate waterproofing wherever applicable. Ceiling finish for all apartments. We have living and dining bedrooms, family study, kitchen and balcony, smoothly finished with putty and oil bond distemper. And for bathroom and powder room, and finished with oil bond and enamel paint. In utility and maid room, neatly finished with oil bond distemper. For common area, lift lobby design, a ceiling smoothly finished. Basement, car parking, concrete surface finished with dry distemper and or oil bond distemper. And staircase, corridor, fire escape finished with oil bond distemper. And for wall finishes in living room or bedroom, everything smoothly finished with the putty and oil bond distemper, and utility made neatly finished with oil bond distemper. In the entry levels and for common area entrance lobby and lift lobby, natural stone cladding. And in flooring for all apartments, like in living or dining, vertified tile by Nitco. In family areas, we also use a vertified tile by Nitco. In balcony area, we have ceramical tile. In maid rooms, we have anti-skid ceramic tiles. For common area like entrance lobby and lift lobby, natural stone. And corridors, homogeneous tile or ceramic tile by Nitco. We have used the total tiles by Nitco and natural stones. And for the windows, we have the UPVC window, EPDM gasket and steel reinforcements with an outer wall thickness of 2 mm. And for doors, a main door, and coming to the doors, main door frame aesthetically designed fire rated timber, and internal door is teak wood frame or factory made wooden frames. And toilet in the bathrooms, we have walls is ceramic tiles and flooring anti-skid tiles. Ceiling is calcium silicate boards are equivalent. Provision for jack present sky walls. In sanitary bath fittings, we have used the jackpar and hinware bath fittings. Coming to the kitchen, wall is smoothly finished with the putty and oil bond distemper. Like pipe, we have provided the piped LPG gas, reverse osmosis system for drinking water. And coming to the electrical, 100% power backup, soundproofing for ashtray enclosure, auto start generator with auto changeover switch, and TV and telephone points. For waterproofing shall be provided to floors of bathroom, powder room, roof, terrace, and utility areas. And some of the specifications are recreation facilities like swimming pool, splash court, shuttle court, And outdoor games are golf driving range, swimming pool, cricket nets, tennis courts, skating rink. And from coming to the home automation lifestyle, remote control switches by Toyoma, mood lighting, applicants controls. Coming to the security, access control videos, streaming of Vista from main gate, and Vista picture or video sent to the inbox of resident. And utilities automated billing of water, power, and gas usage. EV ready car parks, Wi-Fi internet. Made more is available in the security. For the safety, gas leakage detection centers, rescue areas for every 5 floors, child tracking system. Additional features are like scheduled services or electric buggies, elevators, and water management, eco-friendly complex like rainwater harvesting, sewage treatment, garbage chutes, sky gardens, and pocket garden recharge pits. And some of the fun facts or facts about the alien space station working. In Did you know that the base material of alien space station is 1,51,000 square miles, which is equal to 35 FIFA football fields, and the number of doors in alien space station is 5 times more than the White House has. The length of the corridor in alien space station is 45 kilometers, greater than 45 kilometers, which is equivalent to 9 laps of the Formula One track. And coming to the length of the cables used in alien space station is 2,600 kilometers, which is equivalent to the distance between Hyderabad and Dubai. And alien space station has already consumed more than 95,000 cubic meter of concrete, which is more than the concrete used in foundation work for the world's tallest tower, Burj Khalifa. And one of the main is the amount of steel being used in alien space station is 4 times more than was used to build an Eiffel Tower. And from the alien, we have also providing the services 360 like care team. We have the services team, financial legal team. Some of the services are sale agreement, home loan agreement, registration formalities, loan disbursement. And we have also support team for the home automation and services. Correspondent fund benefits of the residents can enjoy the hospitality equal to life 5-star hotels. Add perpetual value to the project and apartment, and the conventional monthly maintenance life cycle. Our alien space station has international clients. We have the SPAC Singapore, Stephen Pimble, CEO, the chief architect for the creative interior designing team, and Urban Research Lab is also one of our international consultant, and Dr. Ravi Prasad, director of structural engineering, who has helped in for the structural engineering for the designing of our alien space station. And Dennis M. Taylor, MD Landscape Architecture. Peridian is the international concern for the landscape architecture and master planning of in alien space station. And some of the consultants we have is Davis Lang and Sheets Consultancy for cost management consultants, and we also have CPG consultant from New Zealand for the traffic management consultant. And we have the Rand Hill for mechanical, electric, and plumbing for consultation. Cisco is the key component of smart alien space station is a home intelligent living. We have the automations. Cisco is a consultant of alien space station. And next, coming to some of other projects by Aliens Group. This is an Aliens Elite and Urban Evolution, which is held Miapur, Hyderabad. And next, Aliens Valley at ALP, Aliens Valley at Montes, Aliens Valley at Boni. This Aliens Valley, which is located in Gopannapalli, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. And the next work done by Alien Space Station is Aliens Villas. This is Aliens Valley, which is also located in Gopannapalli, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. And my next topic is a newsletter by our MD Harichala. Some of the latest milestones achieved by the Alien Space Station is flat finishing work at the Station 6 project completed mid 2019, and Station 11 at 80%, and Station 12 at 70%, Station 7 and 8 at upper basement level, and Station 9 at a raft foundation. And Hyderabad one of the most sought after residential marketing premium luxury segment. And 4,950 to 5,500 per square feet and 25 plus sales per month we have. This is a letter from our faithful customers from the our MD of Aliens Group, Mr. Harichala. And the property scenario in Hyderabad is rapidly increasing by the day by day, as the mostly only major cities have gave you high quality returns on investment among India's seven major cities, and the sales have been grown 32% from the average of 2013-14 to 2018. And beside the residential segments in upcoming 3 years, IT company and global manufacturing leaders will be contribute around 36.4 lakh square feet around the Tellapur area. In 2018, the annual ease of doing business ranking policy by Indian Union of Ministry, Commerce and Industry has pronounced Telangana state as capital the second most convenient place to the business in our country. As per the graph, the demand has been increasing the year by year. When the 2013 and 14, the demand is very low as the IT companies and the population is growing on at Tellapur area. The demand is higher than the past 2014 to 2000 compared to 2018. The the graph has been increased to 5% from 2% to 5%. The office demand witnessed a 12% year-on-year growth in 2018. The mostly what the drives the Hyderabad real estate are the mainly five things. The first point is well planned existing upcoming infrastructure, and the second point is presence of quality educational institutions, and the third point is proactive government policies, and the number four is availability of skilled talent, and number five is established technology hub nearer the residential areas. Coming to the price stands in each area like Gachibowli, High-Tech City, Madhapur, Nalagandla and Tellapur, the price has been rapidly increasing from a year of 2015 to 2018. And at the starting per square feet in Tellapur there is a 3,000 square feet in 2015, but now it is reached to among almost 5,000 rupees per square feet. As the price stands and demand is increasing, the price also increasing. And some of the new developments and happy news for the customers are Gopannapalli Tanda to Kollur radial road is now completed. The 6-lane 120 feet radial road connecting space station to outer ring road is under construction and is phased to completed by Q2 2019. Another road connecting Lingampalli to Tellapur via Gachibowli Nalaganda flower is currently being widened and modernized. As the Tellapur, which is located in the New Hyderabad, from this alien space station, you can reach any area within the 5 minutes. Like you can reach Gachibowli in 5 minutes, Warrar in 10 minutes, and RJ you can reach it in just 20 minutes. And some of the construction update from our MD is Station 9. The work has been started in Station 9 on war footing, and the draft foundation work is close to completion. In Station 5, work in Station 5 is progressive smoothly and transfer slab has been completed. In Station 10, work has been completed and draft foundation work is placing towards completion. In complete structure is ready and flat finishing activities are being undertaken swiftly from 2nd to 10th floors in Station 6. And clubhouse upper basement construction is now completed for the clubhouse. In addition to the two ramp structures have been constructed that led to the terrace of the clubhouse. In Station 12, the structural work in Station 12 has witnessed significant progress and concrete work up to 23rd floor is completed. In Station 7, rapidly growing progress and upper basement will be completed soon. And Station 12 structural work is ongoing rapidly and concrete work will be completed till 20th floor. In Station 8, construction is rapidly progressing and the upper basement will be completed soon. And some of the flat upgrades we have done as per the customer reviews we had by previously. Some of them are copper wire fittings, avoid unnecessary prerequisites for AC setup, and corridor gate for extra private corridors, smoke glass blind for more private spaces, and double height car parking, more space for your guest, advanced hydraulic system, and utility windows keep utility area well ventilated and moisture free dry cloths and tumblers, and child safety grills are also placed in your balconies and interior. In interior packages and our architecture has been designed in living rooms and TV units and book racks are introduced. In from bedrooms, wardrobes, dressing units, and in kitchen a completely modern kitchen with the dry washers. Some of the applications like ACs, dishwashers, airwash systems, and home automation, completely sensor-based operations, all room temperature voice control, and in flooring, Italian marble, in engineered marble, wooden flooring, stone flooring, and glass flooring. For the customer loyalty program, the Alien Space Station always supports our customer, and we also introduce the loyalty program for our customers. And the loyalty score has been divided in the 5 steps. Some of them are for each one loyalty there is equal to 1,000 rupees, and the first one. Early timely payment on due amount of 50,000 to 1 lakh worth loyalty on the base of expedited payments. For additional payments on the due amount, like additional payment other than due, 50k to 5 lakhs worth of loyal points will be distributed. And the purchase and invest in multiple properties. If the customer buys a multiple residential flats in our Alien Space Station, 50k worth royalty points for each flat they have buy. And for the referral, new salon or referral from our customer to another customer, they had 1 lakh worth loyalty points to your account, while your referral contact would also receive 1 lakh loyalty points, as both of them receive the 1 lakh loyalty points. And the last one is each loyal point is equal to the 1,000 rupees rewards. As we, if there will be a question like where we should use these loyal points, and these loyal points can be used as money, and these are used as flat environments, home automation, interiors. In some of the flat enhancements, we have full size UP windows, bigger windows. For interior designing, digital switches, you can upgrade these with your royal points. In home automation also, Eli brand biometric lock, 4th generation home automation, you can use your loyalty points for this home automation. And you can also use your loyalty point for interiors like interior designing, vertical gardens, modular kitchens, glass flooring, dining area unit. And you can also loyal points in you can use in your Alien Mall for shopping and travel, e-commerce gift cards, shopping vouchers, exotic holiday packages. And next, coming to our team, we have the 200 plus team dedicated to deliver your home at your doorstep, and the composition of different departments in illustrated as per Aliens Group. In construction, we have the 250 employees and 600 skilled works. And for the customer relations and banking, we have 50 employees. And the sales and marketing, we have the 120 employees. And for the architecture, for spectacular designing, we have the 30 employees for the creative interior designing. And coming to interior design, we also have the 35 employees. And for procurement, we have the 60 employees for the procurement. And this is all about our Alien Space Station, the artificial intelligent living, which is located at Telapur in the New Hyderabad. Thank you very much.